Hello everyone, I have another package and it is from IKEA or IKEA. It's not gonna be a furniture, it's gonna be a little different thing than that. Okay, so let me try to cut it open. So many of these things to make it secure. So I ordered a couple of lamps, I mean 3 of the same, and I'm gonna try to take these out from it. And I'm only gonna unbox one of these, and this one, what is just a simple regular light bulb. I ordered 3 of these lamps for my room to get a little bit better lighting in different parts of the room, and I only bought one of these light bulbs because the other 2 will have smart light bulbs, but those are still on the way. So I don't know if it has the name. Probably this is the name of the lamp. They have this little paperwork about it, so I don't think it's too many exciting things about it to say or show, but I'm just gonna show it anyway. So here's a little thing how to install it. Okay, so based on these drawings you can place it on the wall as well. Yes, so here is a little thing, so you only need a screw or a nail on the wall and you can just put it on it, but I'm gonna use it like this. And if the description was accurate, it should have 2.5 meter of cable. I mean, the length of the cable should be this long. So the switch is near to the actual light. It's gonna be alright, but I would have preferred if it's a little further from it. So I'm just trying to check the length of the cable. I mean, I won't measure now, but it seems to be long. I mean, it's probably the 2.5 meter in the description was accurate. So let me just plug it in, and also I'm just gonna try it with this light bulb. And so it has this some kind of a metallic thing. As I said, probably not too many things to say about this light or this lamp, but this is working, and I guess that's the most I can say about it. So once again I'm just gonna show it around, but this is probably not the most exciting product you ever seen, but if you just need it, then maybe this video is, I don't know if it's any help, but this is what it is. So probably this is something what you might not see on the IKEA's webpage, that it has these things that what you can just put a thing in the wall and just place it on it, what is a nice thing. But anyway, thanks for watching. God bless.